Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Today, let's learn two Chinese characters. When combined, they form a commonly used word in Chinese. The first character is
饼
You may already recognize its structure. It's made of two identical components, the character.
木
It's arranged in a left-right structure. The left one is slightly smaller, the right one slightly larger, like two trees growing side by side.
饼
Is a pictographic compound character. It represents a group of trees or bamboo growing together. It can also refer to a gathering of similar things. And it's also a very common Chinese surname. When combined with other characters, it often conveys the idea of many. For example,
松林
means a pine forest,
竹林
means a bamboo grove,
碑林
means a cluster of stone tablets. Let's practice its pronunciation.
饼饼饼
When writing this character, follow the stroke order from left to right. In the writing grid, start by writing a smaller
木
as a radical on the left, then write another
木
on the right. Did you get it? Now let's move on to another character.
森
Do you notice anything familiar? Recognize it? Yep, it's three trees. It's a top-bottom structure character. The top part is a smaller,
木
and below it is the character.
饼
It is also a pictographic compound, and it expresses three main meanings. Sometimes it means dense with trees, lush and thick with vegetation, heavily forested. Sometimes it means gloomy and cold, dim and chilly, dark and shadowy. Also can mean solemn and untouchable, strict and dignified, sacred and inviolable. Let's read it together.
森森森
To write it, follow two rules, top to bottom, then left to right. First, write the smaller
木
on top, then write
饼
underneath it. Not too tricky, right? Now you're ready for a word made from both characters. It is,
森林
yes, you guessed it,
森林
means forest or bush, a very common word in Chinese. Isn't it amazing how easy and fun it is to learn Chinese characters? If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot to me.